everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem your Jane gift card online. If you've got a Jane gift card right here with you and you'd like to redeem it online but don't know how, then simply keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now, let's get started. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the URL box that pops up at the top, type in www.jane.com/redeem. Press the enter on your keyboard and you'll end up in this redeem a gift card page. If you've got a Jane gift card with you and you'd like to redeem it online, make sure that you're logged into your account first for jane.com, and in the page where it asks you to enter your gift code, enter your gift card by typing in the correct information. Your information will be available at the back of your gift card, so make sure to type it in correct. And now click on I'm not a robot, verify that you are not a robot, and finally click on the redeem button. But make sure that your gift code information is correct. Since mine is not, I won't be able to redeem it online. Make sure that your information is correct and click on the redeem button to redeem your gift card for jane.com. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.